how to fix Snapchat support code SS06. So if you want to fix the problem of Snapchat support code SS06, then what you need to do is first check your internet connection. Once you check your internet connection, you need to open up your Play Store if you're using Android, or if you're using your iOS devices, then go for your App Store. Once you're here on the store, you need to go for the upper right, which has that search option, and you need to search for Snapchat. Once you search for Snapchat, here you will have open option, right? But if you have any updates, then instead of the open option, you will have updates. So if you have any updates, you need to simply tap on update and update your application. Once you've updated, your problem will be fixed. But even after updating, if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to remove that, and you need to simply tap and hold on to your Snapchat application and tap on app info. Once you tap on app info, you need to go for storage and cache, and then go for clear cache and clear all of your cache. Once you clear your cache, your problem will be fixed. Or what you need to do is you need to simply tap and hold on to your Snapchat again, and then tap on delete and uninstall the application. Once you've uninstalled, you need to again reinstall the application from your App Store or your Play Store and log into your account, and your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix your Snapchat support code SS06 problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.